your skin from the inside out. Skin with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and radiant. Drinking plenty of water can also help to hydrate your skin from the inside out. Finally, managing stress is also important for maintaining healthy skin. Stress can cause a variety of skin problems, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to help keep your skin and your body healthy. Meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to help keep your skin and your body healthy. Another key factor in caring for sensitive skin is to pay attention to the ingredients in your skincare products. Many products contain harsh chemicals and fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin. Look for products that are labeled as hypoallergenic or fragrance-free, and avoid ingredients like alcohol, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Look for products that are labeled as hypoallergenic or fragrance-free, and avoid ingredients like alcohol, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. When trying out new products, it's important to patch test them first. Apply a small amount of the product to a small area of skin, such as the inside of your wrist, and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation or allergic reaction occurs. If you experience any discomfort or redness, discontinue use of the product immediately. Irritation or allergic reaction occurs. If you experience any discomfort or redness, discontinue use of the product immediately. Another tip for caring for sensitive skin is to avoid using hot water when washing your face or showering. Hot water can strip the skin of its natural oils, which can lead to dryness and irritation. Instead, use lukewarm water and be gentle when cleansing. When it comes to makeup, choose products that are specifically formulated for sensitive skin. Look for mineral-based makeup and avoid products that contain talc or bismuth oxychloride, which can be irritating to some people. Always remove your makeup before going to bed to avoid clogging pores and causing breakouts. Irritating to some people. Always remove your makeup before going to bed to avoid clogging pores and causing breakouts. If you have particularly sensitive skin, it may be helpful to consult with a dermatologist. They can recommend products and treatments that are tailored to your specific skin type and concerns. They also recommend avoiding certain ingredients or using prescription strength products to address any skin issues. Also recommend avoiding certain ingredients or using prescription strength products to address any skin issues. In addition to the tips mentioned above, it's important to be gentle with your skin and avoid rubbing or scrubbing too hard. Use a soft cotton washcloth or your fingertips to cleanse your skin, and dry with a clean towel instead of rubbing vigorously. Lastly, remember that consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Stick to a regular routine of cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun, and incorporate natural ingredients rose water and lavender oil for added benefits. Over time, you should start to notice healthier, more radiant skin. Rose water and lavender oil for added benefits. Over time, you should start to notice healthier, more radiant skin. Here are a few more tips for caring for sensitive skin. Avoid using too many products at once. Using too many products can overload the skin and cause irritation. Stick to a simple skincare routine with a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Be careful with physical exfoliation. Scrubs and brushes can be too harsh for sensitive skin. Instead, try chemical exfoliation with a gentle AHA or BA exfoliant. Use a humidifier. Dry air can be especially irritating for sensitive skin. Using a humidifier can help to add moisture to the air and keep your skin hydrated. Be careful with hot and cold temperatures. Extreme temperatures can cause redness and irritation. Avoid hot showers and baths, and protect your skin from cold temperatures with a scarf or hat. Watch what you eat and drink. Certain foods and drinks can trigger skin reactions in some people. Pay attention to your diet and try to avoid foods that seem to cause issues.